Hello everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. Asian High School Makeup. Hi Glowies! Today we're gonna do a soft, powder-free makeup look that's super natural and perfect if you've got a square or round face. The goal here is skin-like, raw, and fresh, but with enough contour to really bring out your features. Start with a sheet mask to hydrate and plump the skin so the makeup applies smoother. Then, prep the base. For areas that crease easily, like under the eyes and around the nose, use a cream product to cover dark circles and smooth things out. Finish with a lightweight foundation to even out the skin tone without covering too much. This look is all about dimension. Take a cream contour stick and carve out the eye sockets, outer corners, nose tip, philtrum, forehead, and temples. On the cheeks, keep it soft, just tap it in. If you want more structure, go back in and deepen the shadows on the nose bridge and tip. Blend everything really well so it still looks natural. Now let's highlight. Use a lighter shade on the high points of your face. Blend with your fingers or a brush for that subtle glow. For blush, go with a muted, low saturation shade and sweep it across the apples of your cheeks. If it still looks too light, just add a bit more, but don't overdo it. Then set everything with powder once it's settled. For eyes, start with a beige-brown shadow across your upper and lower lids. With the leftover powder, sweep across your brows for softness. Deepen the lower lash line with a darker brown, extending it slightly wider and pulling it into the inner corners. Smudge a little near the lash roots to reduce puffiness, then drag it outward to create your eyeliner shape, keeping it thin and natural so it blends in seamlessly. Use that extra product to contour the aegyo under your eyes. Focus more on the front half for a cute, lifted fold. Before moving on to lashes, add some eyelid tape to lift and define the crease. Trim the falsies into sections and apply them individually. Carefully press the lashes onto your lash line while putting eyeliner, making sure both the inner and outer corners are secured. Then softly smudge the lower lash line and connect it at the outer corner. For brows, keep it fluffy and natural. Use a brow pencil to draw hair-like strokes in the direction of your natural growth, especially filling in the tail. Now lips. Extend the corners out a little and deepen the philtrum for that pouty vibe. Start with a nude base shade and finish with a glossy layer for shine. To wrap it all up, I like to go back in with the contour stick to sharpen key areas and add highlight to the inner brows and aegyo cell. Add a beauty mark for extra charm. And that's it. You've got a dimensional, skin-like glam that looks effortless but polished.